Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, we're going to go visit Lucas Hope bookstore, I think. So it came all this year in June, but I didn't get a chance to visit it. So I'm gonna go ahead and visit it now, seeing that it's here in December. You guys are coming along with me. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Love that he thinks of, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you really care, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but I knew you'd say I woke up and it wasn't by my side. No, I need someone to hold, be my fire in the cold, but it's hard to tell if this is just a fling or if it's true love that he thinks of. So next Christmas I'm not all alone, but Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall. Hey guys, so I have zoomed in the camera when I was at a distance from the boat, and I forgot to zoom it back out, so you guys are seeing zoomed in footage now here for about 30 seconds. So I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know. Sorry for my voice, I have a cold, so hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. One thing I would like to say is I've been coming to the Lucas Hope book fair since I was a kid, and for me this brings nostalgia. As a kid, I loved the idea of going on a boat and exploring the boat, and you know what, eating the soft ice cream and what's not. So this brought back a lot of nostalgia for me as an adult, and every time I try to go every time it come, but as you know, I didn't get to go in June. So this is one of my best memory as a child. I was going on this boat, and now that I'm an adult, I would say back then I found the books very expensive, but now that I have quote unquote adult money, I think that they're quite reasonable. But this is my experience going on the Lucas Hope for the up-teen time, but the first time on camera. Hope you guys enjoy it.
What a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes
You've made
tonight.
it. Whether your journey here has been short or long, we all took a journey to get here, and we want to welcome you on board Logasso. We are a crew of over 400 volunteers who work alongside each other in various departments.
For those of you who don't know me, I am a reader. I love to read books. I love to read hard copy books, hardcover books. I like to have the physical book in my hand. I love romance novels. I love romance books. I don't know why I didn't think about it. My thought was to come here, look around, find a really nice romance book. I don't think it ever clicks in my head that Lucas Hope is a Christian book fair boat. Until I just keep seeing Christianity novels, and they had all sort of novels, but they were kind of like PG, I would say. And then it clicked to me, I'm not gonna find the book that I want here. Nevertheless, I did enjoy my trip, but I just wanted to give you guys this little
story that happened. But yeah, I'm looking for a romance book or some kind of book I can read. Um, let's see.
Until the son of God appears. Rejoice,
Might have to get some.
shall come to thee.
600 units.
On the way is a bluebird here to stay. Is a new bird. He's singing a song as we go along, walking in the wonderland. Well, in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, man, but you can do the job when you're in town." Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid of the plans that we made.
thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you guys some nostalgia as well. And this is the time that we came out of Locust. We spent an hour and a half, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.